In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot App Marketplace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into the marketplace, find the tools you need, and install them to extend what HubSpot can do for your team. The marketplace is where you'll discover integrations that connect HubSpot with the other software you rely on, so you can streamline work, reduce manual tasks, and keep your data in sync. First, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're in the right workspace if your organization uses multiple accounts, and confirm that you have the right permissions to add apps. Some installations require admin level access, so if you don't see certain options, you may need a colleague with the right privileges to help. Once you're in, look to the top navigation bar and click the marketplace icon. It often looks like a small store or grid. From the drop-down that appears, select HubSpot Marketplace. This opens the App Marketplace home, where you'll see featured apps, popular categories, and a search bar prominently displayed. Now you're in the right place to explore. Use the search bar to type in the name of a tool you want to integrate, or enter keywords that describe your use case, like email, forms, ads, analytics, or support. You can browse by category to discover options you might not have considered. As you search, open any app listing to learn more. Take a moment to read the description and check key details such as features, pricing information, and how the app connects with different HubSpot hubs and tiers. Look at screenshots or videos for a quick sense of the setup and user experience. Reviews and ratings can be helpful for understanding real-world performance, and it's smart to note what data the app can access so you understand permissions and security implications before you proceed. When you've found the right fit, install it directly from the app's page. Click the Install button and follow the prompts on screen. You'll typically be asked to confirm what the app can do and what information it can access in HubSpot. Review those details carefully to ensure they align with your organization's policies. If the app offers configuration tips or a quick start guide, use them to get immediate value after installation. That's all there is to it. Log in, open the marketplace, search for the apps you need, and install the best fit. With the HubSpot App Marketplace, you can tailor your workspace